In this video, we are going to create the folder structure for our project and add all the necessary files. So open up your favorite browser and search for Materialize in Google. So this is the link, materializecss.com. Click on this. Now click on this Get Started button. So here you have different options. The first option is to download the file, Materialize CSS file. Second option is to use the CDN. And third option is to use the NPM or Node Package Manager. In this project, I will be using the starter template, this one. So the benefit of using a starter template is that it comes with all the files pre-linked. So you don't have to manually link all the files. So let me download this first and I'll show you. Click here, download. Once the download is complete, click to extract. Now open this folder in your favorite editor. For this video series, I'll be using VS Code. So I'm going to just click and drag and drop over this VS Code icon. So here, as you can see, that we have some folders. This is the index.html file, and also we have the CSS folder in which we have the Materialize CSS file, and the JS folder in which we have this Materialize JS file. Now in the index.html file, you will see that all the CSS files are already linked. We have this material icon file, we have this Materialize CSS file which is in the CSS folder, and we have our custom style sheet which is also in the CSS folder. And also we have the JavaScript file already linked. So if I open this file in the browser, so right click and click open with live server. I'll be using this live server extension. So if you don't have it, click this button and search for live server. Let me expand this one, live server, and install it. So what it does is it launch a development local server with live reload. So let me show you. If I right click and click on open with live server, the page will get loaded up. And if I make any changes to the file, let's say I change this one to web development, and once I save this, you will see the page automatically reloads and reflect the changes. So this is the Atom live server. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove all the HTML markup which is inside the body, because we are going to write it on our own. So I'll remove all this up to the footer. So this is the basic structure of the project. Let me change the title to, let's say, photography. So now we are good to go, and in the next video we'll work on the navigation section.